Hello everyone, welcome to Siddhi Academics. I'm Amrita. I firmly believe that you should keep trying until you get it right. Let's explore a few more questions from previous year for grade 10 and solve them together so that we understand how to solve different sorts of questions with complete ease.
Let's start with this question from probability. This is also a question that is very often repeated in class 10 exam. It comes. A card is drawn at random from a well shuffled pack of 52 playing cards. Find the probability of getting neither a red card nor a queen. Now let's understand the cards, how they are divided. There are 52 cards in all. Out of that, 26 are black cards and 26 are red cards. Now again, out of these 26 black cards, 13 are we have got our clubs, and the rest 13 are our the spade. Okay, and from this 26, 13 are heart, and rest 13 are our diamond shape, right? And amongst them, four important cards in each group of these club, spade, heart, and diamond. We have got important cards: ace, joker, queen, and king. AJQK or AJKQ, whatever however you write, right? And the question is asking, so find the probability of getting neither a red card nor a queen card. Now, what is total number of outcomes? Total number of all possible outcomes will be equal to 52. That is the total number of cards. Now, favorable. What will be the total number of favorable outcomes? We need neither a red card nor a queen card. That means we need our total. We should get out of these 26 black cards. Our favorable outcomes will be from this 26 black cards minus this 2 queens. That will be our total number of favorable outcomes, right? We should get a black card. That's what the question is saying. Neither a red card nor a queen means we should get a black card, and out of those black cards also we should not get queen. So 26 cards are all 26 black cards will give us the favorable result outcomes. Minus 2 are these 2 queens here. So total favorable outcome sample space turned out to be 24. So probability of getting neither a red card nor a queen, how much, what it is? It will be 24 divided by 52. We just need to cancel out the common factors to find the actual probability. 24 divided by 52, that will be how much? 4 6 are 24 and 4 1s are 4. 5 minus 4 is 1, so 4 3s are 12. So 6 by 13 will be the probability of neither getting a red card nor a queen. Alright, I hope I'm clear with this question. Let's solve the next question. Let's solve this question. Prove that 2 minus root 3 is an irrational number. Now here, how do we start? We start by assuming that this number given to us, 2 minus root 3, is rational. So let's write that. Let's 2 minus root 3 be a rational number. Now, how are rational numbers expressed? All rational numbers can be expressed in the form of p by q or a by b or any variables that you take. Here I am taking, let them be p by q. So, therefore, according to the first assumption, we can write that 2 minus root 3 is equal to p by q, where p and q, what are they? P and q are co-prime integers. They do not have any factors common between them except one. Are co-prime, and q is not equal to 0. This is what the definition of rational number says. Any number which cannot be expressed in the form of p by q is an irrational number. So first we have assumed this to be rational number. Now we can write like this, right? We can take this plus root 3 this side and bring this p by q this side. So it will become 2 minus p by q. When the p by q comes this side, it will become minus p by q, and when the root 3 goes this side, it will become plus root 3. right? So now I will do the addition of 2 and this minus p by q. What it will be written as? 2q minus p by q is equal to root 3. Now we know since 2q q and p are themselves integers, so are rational numbers. So this 2q minus p by q, this particular fraction that we have written here, is a rational number, implies 2q minus p by q is rational. That means root 3, which is on the right hand side, is also rational, which implies root 3 is also rational. But is root 3 a rational number? No. Root 3, we know from the definition of irrational numbers, any number which does not have a perfect square, like root over of that number, root over of any number which does not have a perfect square, like 16. 16 is a perfect square, so root 16 will be 4. But root 8, is it a perfect square? No, it is 2 root 2. So this 2 root 2 here is an irrational number because it can't be expressed in the form of p by q. Similarly, any non-terminating, non-repeating decimal like 0.17986, and random numbers are coming. Non-terminating and non-repeating decimals are also irrational numbers. So here what we got, 2q minus p by q is rational number because p and q are rational numbers. But we also got root 3 also, that means right hand side root 3 is also rational number. But is root 3 a rational number? No. But according to definition of irrational numbers definition, we know root 3 is irrational. That means our assumption in the beginning that we have taken that 2 minus root 3 is rational is wrong. But according to irrational numbers definition, root 3 is irrational number. That means, I'll erase this s here, I'll rewrite this part again, which means that our assumption is wrong. Which implies 2 minus root 3 is an irrational number. I hope I'm clear with this explanation. If not, please let me know in the comment section. I will make a separate video for rational numbers and irrational numbers, separately solving different kind of questions to make you understand this better. Okay, so let's move to the next question.
Let's start with the question from HCF. If HCF of 65 and 117 is expressed in the form of 65 when minus 117, find the value of n. Now this is a very simple question, but then this is a question that most oftenly is repeated in the grade 10 exams. So please be careful, please solve this kind of question so that you can confidently do this without making any mistakes in the exams. So first we'll find the HCF. What will be the HCF of 65 and 117? It's very clear. If you take the HCF, it will come as first number that is there is 13. 13 5s are 65 and 13 9s are 117. So 13 will be the HCF. Now we have to equate. What is the question saying? HCF of 65 and 117 is expressed in the form of 65n and minus 117. So 13 needs to be equated with this particular expression. Then only we will get the value of n. So let's equate this. Let's write 65n minus 117 and equate it with 13. This way we can easily find. So 65n is equal to 117 plus 13. Now this implies 65n is equal to 7 plus 3 is 10. Then 1 gets carried over, it will be 3 here, 130. Therefore, n is equal to how much? If we divide 130 by 65, 65 ones are 65, 65 twos are 130. So, therefore, n's value is equal to 2. So, this is a relatively simple question, but only if we are very confident after solving so many other questions from HCF and LCM, then only we will not make any mistakes at all. So, please practice as much as possible. Eventually, I'll be posting more videos with more questions from different chapters, miscellaneous questions from all chapters jumbled up, so that we get confident in solving these questions in our exam. So if you want to learn by watching my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, Siddhi Academics. Okay.